Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video, I'm going to share with you a theme that's very suitable for property agent, real estate consultant, and almost any other consultant such as marketing consultant, business consultant, health coaches, for example. Okay, so I will show you how to install the theme and also some configuration to help you get started. So now the first thing is that once you have a WordPress fresh installation, so this is the new WordPress installation, you just need to go to plugins, add new plugin. And we are going to add a plugin called Starter Template. This is quite a well-known plugin that consists of a lot of templates for users to select. So just install this plugin. It's called Starter Templates. And later you'll get to choose which page builder to use. So let's click activate. Okay, so it will take some time depending on your server speed for the installation and the activation. So we'll give it some time to do its work. Okay, so now you can see that there are two selections over here. So let's start from this build with templates. And now you can select whether it's a block editor, Elementor, or Beaver Builder. Okay, my suggestion is either block editor or Elementor. You use Elementor only if your server is pretty powerful, like you are using cloud hosting or you are using cloud-based hosting, which is the hosting that I use. But if you are using a shared hosting environment, those budget-friendly hosting provider, then you will select a block editor because it's less server intensive. So let's start with this block editor. And I'm going to show you the template. You can just type in real estate, for example, and scroll down. Okay, so this is the template that I'm going to show you how we can do some customization and use it for property agent professionals. Okay, so I've clicked on that. And you can do some simple configuration over here, but we can also do this after we install a template. So just click the skip and continue. And on this next page, you can change color of the template. You can change it to this color theme. Or if your color theme is blue, you can also switch it to blue. I will just leave it as the default color theme. As well as the font, you can also make changes to the font as well. So after that, click continue and type in your information over here. Okay, and enable all the setting because you want to import the default content and it will be easier with the content when you're editing the website for your own use. So just click submit and build my website. So depending on your server speed, it will take from a few seconds to a few minutes to complete the website. I'll pause the video for now and resume it after it's completed. Okay, so once the theme has been completely import all the content, you will see the message here, view your website. So click on view your website. And now the theme has been fully imported with all the default content. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to, let's change this image to your personal photo if you have, and also let's change a logo. So you can go to the dashboard or from here we just click edit page. So once you click edit page, it will show the editor, which is the Gutenberg editor in the WordPress environment. So this is the page. And if you want to change any text, you can just click here and you can just make any changes here. So it's pretty easy. And I want to change the image over here. So I just click on the image and over on the setting, I click change image and I'm going to upload a file. Okay, for example, this one. So prepare a transparent, your photo with a transparent background. Okay, so once it's uploaded here, you can adjust the size over here. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the size a little bit. Okay, and if you find that it's out of proportion, you can in the object feed, you can select contain so to make the size more bright, and you can click update. After that, we will take another look at the website. So when it's updated, let's go to the website and check out the website with the new photo. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, so once you uploaded your own image with a transparent background, everything will fit perfectly. Just take note that the photo size is about this dimension. So the next thing we want to do is to upload your logo. So if you have your own logo, you just need to go to the appearance. Under appearance, there is a setting called customize. So let's click on that. So once you click on customize, it has tons of setting over here for you to do. There's a global setting. You can do the header. There's a page sidebar, footer builder. There's a lot of setting over here that you can come and try out different things. But for now, let's do the logo. Click on header builder. There's a line here called customize transparent header. So just click on that. And we are going to upload a new logo. So let me upload a logo that I previously designed using Canva. Canva is quite a good tool and it's a free tool as well that I use to design a logo. And disable this setting. Okay. So once you disable this setting, you should see the logo and you can increase the logo width. For example, now it's 150. I want to make it to 250 or even 350. Okay, after that, click publish. Make sure that the logo that you design is of transparent background, okay, using Canva. So once I come back to the website, I can do a refresh. And you can see that the logo with the photo. So this theme is very nice looking and you can use it for a business consultant. If you're a marketing consultant, if you're a health consultant, you can also use it as well. It comes with a form for your visitors to fill up if they want to get a consultancy or they want to meet you up for a discussion. And you can of course change any elements here if you want to, and this is the type of consulting that you want to uh, offer as a service. You can put it here. For example, if you're a property agent, you can put down the various scope that you are doing. For example, buying property, renting property services, so valuation services, so all other services, you can put them down here. So here has also another section for you to feature more about you. And we can also do something over here. So for example, let's click edit page again. Let's take, for example, if you have a video of yourself and you want to feature that video instead of this image over here. So let's take out the navigation view. Okay, click on this container, expand. This is the image. So we are going to add in another element after the image. Okay, this is the paragraph. And we're going to insert element called YouTube. So type slash and type in YouTube. Okay, so this is the one. Click on here, enter the YouTube URL that you want to feature. So for me, I will just enter the URL here and click embed, and it will show the video of the property agent doing a self-introduction. Okay, so for example, this image block, let's say I don't want this image already, I can click here and click delete. So now this is the video that I have. So I click update again, and let's go back to our web. So type in the URL. Okay, so now if we were to scroll down, and you can see that the video is well placed here, so people can just click play and you will play the video while reading your description on about you on this website. Okay, and finally, I just want to share that this theme is not only perfect for property agent, but if you are a business consultant, marketing consultant, or any other consultant that you require a strong personal branding, you can use this theme efficiently to share about the services, about the review that you have. So I hope that you will find this recommendation useful. If you have any question regarding this theme, you can just post a question below the video. I'll be happy to help you out if I can. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.